Hi guys, good evening. So today we will learn name manager. But before I come to name manager and why we are using it, let me explain you the problem statement. So this is a simple data. You have sales manager, you have month wise, and then you have totals row wise and column wise, right? Now what you do is you have sent this file to your manager or your colleague to add more data into it. And what they did, they added a few rows after 9 and added more the salesperson and put in the amount. But you see, whenever they put in the amount here, right, this total is not changing because it is not covered. So every time you add a row in these kind of situations, what you have to do is you have to change the formula referencing, otherwise your file may contain an error, right? So one way to do it is by using a name function. Okay, so what you see, if I'm clicking here on the top left corner, you can see a name box. E18 is the name, correct? But I can give it another name also. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm selecting this cell and let's say I'm giving a name. Okay, and I will give it a name. What is the name I will give? I will give test as the name. Okay, and it is referring to this part A and E18 cell, right? Close. So you see, whenever you click on this, you can, this cell is available to you and you can refer it in your functions also, right? Equals to test. You see, this has come and this is referring to this particular cell. Now what I am going to do is I will again go to the name function and I will say define name. Okay, and I will give name previous cell. And here what I will do is I will put equals to exclamation mark, and which is the previous cell? E17. So I will define E17 here. Okay, so this has now become previous cell. So whatever I will do, if I select P cell basically, then it will become the previous cell. Got it? Right? An exclamation mark I have given in this name formula. It denotes that this name is available across your workbook and not only in this worksheet. Okay, I will have this discussion more, but for this problem statement, just remember to follow these steps. Okay, now let's see. I change this formula equals to sum. Okay, here to P cell, right? P cell and closed. Now I will copy this formula across. I will copy this formula, right? And now if I add the rows, right? Few rows so that we can test this formula, right? So I have added 2 rows here. Let me add up one Z and 80,000. You see, now it is changing, right? It was not changing in this sheet when I have added the rows because the cell referencing was not correctly taken. But here it is taking the previous cell, till previous cell it is taking. So it is very easy for you to control this in an automatic manner. I hope you like this function. Thanks for watching.